stomatal movement mechanisms. First theory is starch sugar theory. The next theory is Steward theory. Steward theory. According to Steward theory, the stomatal complex of God cells or stoma open in the daytime and closed in the night time. Open in the daytime and closed in the night time. This theory related to the starch sugar theory. According to Steward theory, the stomatal complex of God cells contains chloroplast. These are the chloroplast. The chloroplast pigments are participated in the photosynthesis to prepare food material. The food materials are starch. The starch is converted into sugar molecule. Starch is converted into sugar molecule, means glucose 6-phosphate by phosphatase enzyme. Starch convert into glucose 6-phosphate by phosphatase enzyme. The glucose 6-phosphate easily dissolved in the cytoplasm of God cells. Easily dissolved in the cytoplasm of God cells. At the same time, the cytoplasm of God cell sugar concentrations are in high. High level sugar concentrations are present in the God cells. Around these God cells, subsidiary cell cytoplasm. Subsidiary cell cytoplasm contains low levels of sugars. Low levels of sugar. According to osmosis, low concentration of sugar solutions moves to high concentration of sugar solutions through the semi-permeable membrane. Through the semi-permeable membrane. So automatically God cells are filled with sugar solution, high concentration of sugar solution. Automatically the God cells are enlarged in the size. God cells are enlarged in the size and they will open the stomata during the daytime. They will open the stomata during the daytime. But during the night time, the God cell chloroplast cannot participate in the photosynthesis. They cannot food material. They cannot prepare food material like starch. During the night time, glucose 6-phosphate convert into starch by phosphatase enzyme. Here also phosphatase enzyme. Glucose 6-phosphate convert into starch. Starch cannot dissolve in the cytoplasm of God cells. So in the God cells, sugar levels are decreased. Sugar levels are completely absent. Then outside of these God cells, subsidiary cells are containing some amount of sugar levels. That sugar levels are more than the God cell cytoplasm sugar levels. So what happened here according to osmosis? Low levels of sugars. Where is low levels of sugar? In the God cells. In the God cells, sugar levels are low. According to osmosis, low levels of sugar solutions moves to high levels of sugar solution through the semi-permeable membrane. Automatically, the God cell liquid moves to subsidiary cells. So expanded God cells are changed into normal condition, relaxed position. The relaxed position of the God cells, the stoma will be closed. Stoma will be closed during the night time. According to Steward theory, stoma will open during the daytime. Stoma will be closed during the night time. It is the Steward theory.